Can you see yourself in the 2025 Subaru Crosstrek? This ruggedly styled Crosstrek delivers peace of mind wherever the road may lead. From its all-weather capability to its high marks for safety, this compact crossover inspires confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, backup camera, heated front seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, aluminum wheels. SUV capability with a comfortable car-like ride. That's the Crosstrek. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.